So live your life. You steady chasing that big car, just live your life.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I made some Cajun chicken and shrimp Alfredo, of course vegan style, on Sunday, but I forgot to do the intro on it, so I'm doing it today. So we're gonna get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. All right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and heat up some oil. Yes, I could have used a better pan. Like, this pan really need to go in the trash at this point. But yeah, so I end up using that pan because I couldn't find the other one that I usually use, and I was trying to go quick. So you add your plant-based chicken, and you're going to go ahead and add your shrimp. And by this being plant-based, you guys, you can add both of them in there at the same time, so it won't be no cross-contamination. All right, you guys, we're going to go ahead and let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. It does not take long for plant-based food to cook. Now I have turned them over. Now these are ready. I'm going to go ahead and set these aside. All right, now we're going to go ahead and make our noodles. Got the water boiling. Add your noodles. Cook it according to the package. Use the noodles of your choice. Now the noodles are ready. We're going to go ahead and set that aside. Now I am making that Alfredo sauce. Melt some butter and add some minced garlic. And now we're going to add in some fresh basil. Now add your heavy cream. Next, we're going to add in some nutritional yeast. And now we're going to give this a good stir. Now add in some Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to stir in the cheese and reduce the heat. We're going to continue to stir this until the cheese has completely melted. And you guys, as the cheese is melting, the sauce will thicken up on its own. All right, you guys, now the Alfredo sauce is ready. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our noodles. Next, we're going to add in our shrimp and chicken. All right, you guys, now we're going to mix this up well. We're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes, and voila. All right, there you have it, guys. Cajun chicken and shrimp Alfredo with a side salad. Ooh.
Shake. Who can shake?